Hey guys, Jason with Iron Rock Off-Road here. Hey, I've got something to show you. You all know about Iron Rock Off-Road. We build Jeep suspension, steering, armor, drivetrain parts, a lot of stuff to take your Jeep and turn it into an off-road machine. But here, I've got a little secret for you. We've got another little business we do. Here, come here, I'll show you. Come on. See, Dlux. So this is a part of just a little part of our Iron Rock warehouse. This is some of our overstock. But if you come way in the back, we scaled down our whole operation, and we have this little tiny area for Delux Fab. So, sorry, it's such a mess. I'd like to say it's normally cleaner than this, but it isn't.
This is real.
So all the parts that we make for your big Jeep, all the off-road parts, we make a little version of them, anywhere from, you know, pretty big down to a tiny little guy here. So what we do here is, here, I'll just pick on this one. It's competition grade RC crawlers. So they're for RC crawling competitions. So we go out and we set up a couple gates. We put a cone on each side and you have to drive through them, and we make them really difficult. And you get points for reverses and points for rollovers and points for hitting a gate, and the lowest score wins. So what we do is we make trucks that are specifically designed for this, and we make a lot of upgrade parts for other parts too, for regular trucks too. So we make heavy duty brass knuckles, titanium steering links, titanium links, carbon fiber chassis. Everything we do over here is basically exotic materials. It's actually really fun. You know, even the aluminum in this transmission is not just boring 6061 aluminum. It's 7075 high grade aluminum, titanium links. The axle shafts are all chromoly. Everything we do is just fun materials.
So you talked about competitions. What can you win?
Well, you can win some trophies. We have some trophies. I mean, first of all, I don't win very often, but once in a while I do. But you can win some trophies. You can win, sometimes there's cash involved. So it's a lot of fun.
So what happens here at this bench?
This bench is sort of our assembly bench. You can see we've got some screws laid out. Well, this is mostly where we build complete trucks. So if we're building one, or you can see here's like some of our new parts, our new Capra axles with portals. So this is where we're assembling trucks, assembling transmissions, assembling whatever.
So what kind of parts do you make?
Well, we make a lot of upgrade parts for other trucks. You know, if you have an Axial SCX 10, 2, 3, whatever, we make a lot of upgrade parts. We make shocks, transmissions, a lot of heavy duty drivetrain parts. Drive shafts are one of our best sellers. Shocks, we've got shocks for about anything. We have 4 different lengths of these, so they fit about anything. Some of the other parts we make, axle assemblies. We get you complete axles for your truck with a lot of overdrive, so the front tires are spinning faster than the rears. That helps you out on steep climbs and cornering. Transmissions, these are sort of universal fit transmissions. Either one of these has overdrive built into it, again, to spin your front tires faster than your rears. One of our specialties is all of our transmissions. I set the motor really low. I design all these personally, and I set the motor really low, and I make the whole transmission as small and as light as possible while being extremely heavy duty. You know, titanium output shafts, again, heat treated alloy steel gears. Everything's extremely heavy duty. Everything's extremely high performance. Again, with the extreme performance, we build entire rigs. Everything about this is high performance. The center of gravity is really low. The suspension travel is just smooth and refined, and everything is so predictable about it when you're driving it. Like, here's our scaler. Rear steer on this one. We give you more steering angle than about anybody. Our center of gravity is going to be lower. We just build our rigs for extreme performance. So here's a look at just some of the trucks that we build parts for. These are just a bunch of stock trucks. We try to keep one of every stock vehicle here so that we can build parts for it. We make a ton of upgrades for all these trucks. So if you have one of these trucks and you need an upgrade or a different truck, just hit us up. We've got upgrade parts for almost anything. So we even make our own tires. Check these out. I named it the Iron Rock 475. A perfect segue between Delux Fab and Iron Rock. So that's a little bit about what we do here at Delux Fab. So you know where to get all your one-to-one parts from Iron Rock Off-Road. Now you know your RC crawler parts can come from Delux Fab. So next time you're out on the trails with your real Jeep and you stop for lunch and you see a bunch of people get out their little RC crawlers, now you know, come to Delux Fab and we'll get you all set up.